this is, and we are going to be introducing everybody today. So you're all here so we can inform you of what we were doing and why, and because some of y'all are curious. So what we were doing practically was we went and we got interviewed by real architects, real engineers, and real everything practically. And
okay, we have 5 careers: scientists, engineers, architects, marketers, and interior designs. All these are different careers that we've had actual people help us get better at these careers. We come together to make one big project, which would be Life Out Farm, where we helped Life Out Farm and Clark Patterson make Life Out Farm, but we didn't actually make it. We were just like a sort of like a fake one. We'll start with the sciences. Teresa and Angel Rodriguez.
then we're going to go up to the engineers, who are, of course, engineers are Jeremy and Paris and Louis. Then after that, we are going to go up to the architects, which are me and Jonathan and Steven. After that, we're going to go up to the interior designers, who are Cinnamon, Timani, and Fraser. And then we're going to finish it off with our marketers, who of course are Michael and Michael. We're going to start this off, of course, with Angel and Teresa.
Okay, first off, I'd like to start by saying thank you for coming tonight to our expedition night, and it's a real honor to be presenting to my people here today. Alright, now first off, we'd like to start by saying that people are probably looking at the map wondering what this is. It is an aerial view of a patch of land. Now the patch of land, what it is that at the start of the expedition, we were told that our big project, our big task, would be to build an animal shelter. Now, the animal shelter, what we did for the animal shelter as environmentalists is we observed the land. Now, observing the land is basically part of looking at the land to make sure that the land is suitable for building, for constructing the building, and for all intents and purposes, what it's supposed to be for.
And what kind of impact would be on the land if we would build another animal shelter on this land?
Yes.
Yeah. This lot is actually across from the original Lollipop Farms. And here we have all these things. I mean, you know. Sorry. The New York State law says that from all wetlands, historical areas, agricultural land, and streams must be 100 feet from each. Right here we have, going on here is the Rochester to Syracuse Old Railroad, and the county has claimed it historical. So therefore, we can't build nowhere near it, 100 feet away from it. Right here are a couple of wetlands in here too, so we have to stay 100 feet away from them. Also, and a stream called White Brook, right here. Here is some agricultural land, and you have to stay 50 feet away from this road is Victor Egypt Road, and I think,
Yeah, it's Victor Road. And the blue line here represents floodlands. Now, there's been a history of flooding below this blue line here. There's been a history of